Hey guys, Will Smith here with Smith Family Insurance. Just want to take a little moment to talk to you a little bit about, insurance and in general, getting into this world, this crazy world that a lot of people have made the leap into, and so forth. Uh, so, when you decide to go out and open your own agency, you got a couple options. Basically, there's two different types of insurance agencies. There's a captive insurance agency, which is your traditional State Farms, Allstates, stuff like that. And then you've got independent insurance agencies. The biggest difference between the two, with the independent insurance agencies, as you may already know if you've have been doing some research, that the independent agencies give you the opportunity to broker insurance from one company to another. This is a really, really big benefit in the world of being able to help your customers, retention, all of that. However, the benefit does actually come with the downside. Captive insurance agencies, while they only give you normally one company to work with, the biggest downside to them is you have one company. However, you've got the positive of a lot of times they will give you perks in the way of training, salaries, bonuses to help you get going, stuff like that. So that could definitely be a pretty enticing fact for people, and a lot of people end up actually ultimately going that way. I mean, you look at State Farm; they're on every single corner. Independents are a lot harder to get into. Number one, you've got to gain contracts with these companies, and a lot of times the people will end up using, aggregators, managing general agents, just different ways. Cluster groups is another way to get into the independent world. But ultimately, you need to be able to have the income to support yourself while, your agency's getting going and that commission starts coming in. If you want to get into insurance, that's something you definitely want to think about. Me personally, I went with Erie, which is a local agency here. They're out of Pennsylvania, but they service my state, and they offer a few extra perks to get into the insurance industry. I mean, they offer some programs to help fund you while you're getting started up, and give you a sign, do some extra stuff like that, while giving you the opportunity to still be independent and still have some other carriers. Now, bear in mind, they do want you to actually, to use them as your preferred carrier, which I'm okay with. They're a really good company, but they give a lot of extra things that I felt like was worth it for the changeover. For me, when I've changed from being an employee to being a business owner. So hope that helps you guys. Like I said, I can't stress enough, it's going to be hard work. So you want to plan for that, because you're going to have to generate leads, you're going to have to go out and talk to people and beat the pavement, and you're going to have to hustle to build yourself up. But at the end of the day, this career can be very, very rewarding. The earnings potential is basically unlimited. So just how much work you want to put into it, you can get back out of it. So if you guys have any other questions you want to hear about me to talk on, anything like that, put them down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe for additional videos. But so as if you're thinking about taking this journey, feel free to reach out if you have any questions, or you want to bounce ideas, or if you have any recommendations for me. I'm always learning, so love to hear from you. All right, guys. All right, thanks.